My name is Janeline Matulak. I live in the Philippines. Uh, I am 40 years old, married, and I have 3 kids, all boys, ages 19, 14, and 13. I study Bachelor of Science in Biology and shipped to Bachelor of Science in Nursing. And I took also AB English. I also had my other course. I finished also the TESDA Caregiver 6 months, 6 modules, and I worked in Hong Kong before. Year 2010, October 31 until February 22, 2012. My duties are to take care of the baby, the newborn baby, take care of the elderly, and cook for the adults. I can also go to the market, and I can teach also the baby how to sing rhymes, and I am honest, willing to learn, and easy to manage. I am very eager to work for my family and for my children because I want to help my husband and for the studies of my children. And I promise I will do my best, and you can trust me, and I will make you my other family, and I'm lovable, helpful, and very happy person. Thank you.